Welcome to another edition of Question and Answer with a Criminal Defense Attorney. My name is Mark Solomon, a defense attorney in Denver, Colorado, and today's question is a follow-up question on protection orders. Before we get to the question, don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying it, click subscribe if you're enjoying all these videos, and don't forget to click the little bell to be notified of future videos in the future. So let's get to the question. I have a no-contact mandatory protection order against me, and the protected party, the one you're not supposed to be having communications with in any way, shape, or form, is contacting you. What should I do? So this is a relatively straightforward answer. So let's get to what I've written down here for us. Do not answer the phone. Do not respond to texts. Do not respond to any communication in any way. If you do, you will be charged with a violation of protection order if it gets back to the police or the prosecutor. The way I like to explain this is, as the protected party, not the defendant, but the protected party, the alleged victim or witness, they are not under the jurisdiction of the court. So the court can't order them to do anything. So they can call you, they can write you, they can email you, they can come to your work, they can go to your house. But if the defendant responds to a call, answers a text, responds to a letter, sends messages through anybody, that's contact from the defendant, and that's what's prohibited by a protection order. Let's take a look at that protection order. So this is the front of the protection order that we looked at in the first video, and when we look at it, obviously that number 1, 2, and 3 in that sense is going to be checked in a no contact order. But here, let's look at the back, and I've highlighted some sections, and this is really important. If you violate, and this is in the middle of the back of the protection order, in not too obvious text, which is why I highlighted it for the purpose of this video. But if you violate this order thinking that a victim or witness has given you permission, you are wrong and can be arrested and prosecuted. The terms of this order cannot be changed by the agreement by the victim or witnesses. Only the court can change this protection order. So when you hear it like that, it should be pretty clear that any contact in violation of a no contact order, even with the permission of the victim or witness, is a violation of the law and will usually result in jail time. So now you have the facts, you can make better decisions. So that is the question and answer for today. If you would like your own question answered for future videos, you can put it in the comments below, email it to me, or tag me on Twitter. And as always, you have a right to remain silent. If a police officer asks you what you've done, where you've been, what you have, or what you know, you have a right to say, "I don't want to talk to you," and if they persist, "I want a lawyer."